Hi everyone, this is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. The image which you see on your screen has been created with just a text prompt with this model Flex.1 Alpha. Flex.1 Alpha is an 8 billion parameter rectified flow transformer model that is capable of generating images from text descriptions in high quality. It has a similar architecture to Flux.1 Dev, but with fewer double transformer blocks. It began as a fine-tune of Flux functional, which allows the model to retain the Apache 2 license. And that is what makes it special in my opinion, because you can use it for a lot of purposes. Another thing which really has appealed me is that it's a rectified flow transformer. Before I show you the installation and before we start generating images with it and I walk you through, let me give you a very quick overview of what exactly is this rectified flow transformer. Now, if you go to the model card, it is a bit cryptic, but let me try to explain it in very simple words. When we say a rectified flow model, it is a type of generative model that connects data and noise on a straight line, offering better theoretical properties and a more efficient path from data to noise. Rectified flow transformer models build upon the concept, combining rectified flow models with transformer based architecture to enable a bidirectional flow of information between image and text tokens. This results in improved text comprehension, typography, and human preference ratings, making RFT or rectified flow transformer models particularly effective in text to image synthesis tasks. Flux.1 dev models are also rectified flow models, and that is why their text generation during images is quite good, and that is what I am hoping with this model too. So in this video, we are going to install it locally and then we will see how it works. The tool which I'm going to use with it is ComfyUI. ComfyUI is a lightweight and flexible open source tool to create image generation workflows quite easily. It is extremely flexible. If you want to learn about ComfyUI as what exactly that is, how to install it and how to work with it and its basic concepts, I would highly recommend you to just go to my channel and search with easiest ComfyUI, and this tutorial is going to make you a hero from zero in no time, which is just under half an hour. So make sure that you have ComfyUI installed and you know the basic concepts of it. If you're following along, of course. If you're just watching, feel free to keep watching. So now you know what ComfyUI is, and I'm hoping that you already have installed. Let me show you how you can get this model installed. Before that, let me give a huge thanks to our very good friends at Mast Compute who are sponsoring the VM and GPU for this video. If you're looking to rent a GPU on very affordable prices, I will drop the link to their website in video's description. I'm also going to give you a 50% discount coupon which you can use with a range of GPUs, so please do check them out. This is my Ubuntu system, and as I already have the model loaded, this is my GPU card NVIDIA RTX A6000 with 48 GB of VRAM, and the VRAM it is consuming is over 25 gig, which is a bit surprising because Flux.1 Dev goes with around 29 and Flux and Chanel is somewhere around that anyway. So having said that, let me now show you how you can download the model. So first up, let's go to this model card at Hugging Face, and I will drop the link to it in video description. Let me make it a bit smaller so that we should be able to see it more properly. On the model card in Hugging Face, click on Files, scroll down, and then you see this file Flex.1 Alpha Save Tensor. Right click on this downward arrow, save link as, go wherever your ComfyUI is installed in your system. Again, please watch my other video to see how to install it. Go to models, then go to unet directory and just save it here. I already have saved it. The size is close to 22 gig. This is the main model which we need to download. Then we need to download 3 more models. The first model we need to download is called as variational autoencoder or VAE or simply V. The V model adds finishing touches to the images, and it brings the model from latent space to pixel space. Latent space is where model works, it is not visible to us. Pixel space is where we can see the um, images. If you want to learn more, just search with latent on my channel, and I have done a video around 3 months ago in great detail. It's very simple to understand as what exactly is latent space. So remember that variational autoencoder is what brings the image from latent space to pixel and uh, back. Now, in order to download this, just go to this website. You can go to Flux.1 dev original. There should be a file called as ae.savetensor, and then right click on download, save link as, go wherever your ComfyUI is installed in the models and in the VAE directory. Save it. It is around 335 megabyte, very small. Okay, so I have installed it, and then you need to download two more models, which are the clip models. So the clip models are two. So for that, I'm just going to go with this T5 double XL FP16. If you don't have much VRAM, you can go with floating point 8, but I'm going to go with this. So we need to download these two files, clip_l.savetensor and T5 double XL FP16. Again, just right click, save link as, go to where your ComfyUI models is, go to clip directory, and then save both of these models here. So the T5 double XL is big, it is close to 9 gig, whereas clip L is just 250 meg or so. So these are the four models which we needed to download. So I'm assuming you have ComfyUI installed, you have also installed your models now, like just I showed you. Installing means just put them in that directory, and then you are ready to rock and roll. For that, you would need this Flux one dev workflow. Again, workflow is simply how you create the images in ComfyUI. Please watch my other video, and don't worry about this workflow. I'm going to give you it in JSON format. I will drop the link in my video's description. You can go to my GitHub repo and get it for free. No strings attached. So have fun. So that's it. So let me so workflow is there. All we need to do first time when you load it, make sure that in this load diffusion model node you have Flex.1 alpha safe tensor selected. In dual clip loader we have both of clip model selected, which deal with our prompt, and there is no negative prompt in Flux.1 dev model. And then in the load v node we have our v model selected. So all the four models are there, and then all we need to do is to put in our prompt here, and then it just works through it and then creates the image. So there is something called a scheduler, there is sampler. For scheduler I'm just going to go with simple, and then similarly I'm just going to go with the default scheduler. Now sampler affects quality, speed and style of output image, whereas scheduler controls how noise is gradually removed from the latent image. Again, I have done full-blown videos on all of these concepts. Just search whatever you want to understand, and you should be able to find it on the channel easily. So everything is already covered. Now, in order to generate images, all you need to do is to just put an image here. So let me put one more prompt here. So, and I'll just make it a bit bigger so that you can see. So I'm asking it, gorgeous enemy girl with majestic feathered wings and a delicate sparkling halo, sun-kissed blonde hair, radiant sapphire blue eyes, dressed in a stunning floor length, ivory and gold wedding style. So let me run it. It is going to generate the image. You can see that whatever node is working, it is green. While that happens, let me also introduce you to the sponsors of the video, who are AgentBot. AgentBot lets you effortlessly deploy a personalized knowledge bot across platforms like Discord, Slack, and others. It is ideal for open source tech communities and startups that provide user support, and I will drop the link to their website in video's description. Okay, so let's go back to our ComfyUI, and there you go. Look at this image. How good is that? How beautiful that image is. Simply beautiful. The roses are there, and the enemy girl looks amazing. Okay, so let's try out few other text to image prompts. And now I am going to test it out with random prompt just to see how this performs. So in the first one, I'm asking it a stunning winter wonderland with snowflakes gently falling and a few snow-covered pine trees in the foreground. Look at that. How realistic that looks. Just with few words, we have created a world-class image. Isn't it great? All for free, all local, all private. Okay, and then because it's a dinner time almost here in Sydney, so I'm asking it a mouth-watering, realistic illustration of a juicy grilled cheeseburger with all the fixings. Okay, so it's illustration and it has done wonderfully well. So how about if I just say realistic image? Let's see, instead of illustration, if it generates a realistic image. And there you go. How sumptuous it looks. I'm really feeling hungry at the moment. This is so great. Okay, next up I'm asking it a thrilling action-packed illustration of a brave knight battling a fairy dragon. And there you go, looks really cool. And if you just look closely at the hands and other limbs, it's not bad really. I mean, look at the direction of fingers while it holds that sort of whatever weapon it is holding, and not bad at all. What do you think? Okay, so next up, let's try out another one. So I'm asking it a vibrant abstract portrait in the style of Pablo Picasso. Experiment with bold colors, geometric shapes, and fragmented forms. So there you go. We have this Pablo Picasso. Not bad actually. Okay, next up, I'm asking it to create a stunningly gorgeous young woman lounges in a lush moonlit garden in the style of this Alphonse Mucha, who was a Czech artist, really gifted one. So it is quite detailed. So let's see how it creates. You can read through this. I'm really hoping that it is going to do really well here, but let's see. There you go. Oh wow, beautiful. This is really good stuff. Maybe my next model for the YouTube thumbnails. Okay, so looks really cool. Okay, so next up I'm trying to see how it does with text. So I'm asking it that this breathtakingly beautiful young woman is holding something like please subscribe to this channel. Oh my goodness, so this is really good. You see, it has there are no spelling mistakes, so very impressive, really like it. That is very well done. And there you go, you guys don't listen to me, at least listen to her and subscribe to the channel. And if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network, and I hope that you enjoyed it. Please share your comments. I hope that everything is all good. Thank you very much.